In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blocks in Odoo Website Builder. We'll start by going to the Odoo website. Once the page loads, look to the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access account-related options and move into the correct database before editing your website. After opening that menu, click on My Databases. This takes you to the section where your available Odoo databases are listed. If you manage more than one database, make sure you choose the one connected to the website you want to edit, so you're making changes in the right place. Next, click on Connect for the database you want to open. Odoo will then take you into that environment where you can access the website builder and begin making visual changes to your site. Once you're inside the website, click on Edit. This switches the page from normal viewing mode into editing mode. When you do this, Odoo opens the website builder tools so you can customize the layout and add new sections directly onto the page. Now, click on Blocks. This is one of the most important parts of the website builder because blocks are the pre-designed content sections you can add to your page. They help you build a website quickly without needing to code everything manually. From here, simply drag and drop any block onto the website. As you move a block around the page, Odoo will usually show placement areas so you can decide exactly where that section should go. Take your time with this part because where you place the block affects the flow and structure of the page. You'll notice that Odoo gives you several different block categories to choose from. These include intro, content, images, people, text, contact and forms, social, and catalog. Each category is designed for a different purpose. For example, intro blocks are useful for headers or hero sections. Content blocks help organize information, image blocks make pages more visual, and contact and forms blocks are helpful when you want visitors to reach out or submit information. Social blocks can connect visitors to your online presence, and catalog blocks are useful for showcasing products or offerings. Once you've added the block you want and placed it where it belongs, click on Save. This confirms your changes and updates the website with the new section you added, and that's it. That's how to add blocks in Odoo Website Builder. If you're building out a page, it's a good idea to save regularly after making changes so you don't lose your progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.